Hello everyone, and welcome. Today, we are going to talk about something very important, achieving your goals. A goal is something you want to do or have in the future. Maybe you want to learn a new skill, get a good grade, or travel to a new place. Whatever your dreams, knowing how to achieve them is a powerful skill. Achieve means to successfully reach or obtain something by effort, skill, or courage. This video will share the stories of people with big goals and simple steps you can take to reach your own. Are you ready to learn how to make your dreams a reality? Let's begin our journey to achieving your goals. Imagine a young man named Omar. Omar had a big dream, to become a successful chef. He loved to cook and create new dishes, but he didn't know where to start. It felt like a very big and distant dream. Sometimes, big goals can seem overwhelming. Overwhelming means difficult to deal with, very large or great. Omar felt a little lost and unsure of the first steps. One day, Omar learned about the importance of setting specific goals. Instead of just saying, "I want to be a chef," he started to think about smaller, more concrete steps. His first goal was to learn 3 new recipes each month. Specific goals help you focus your energy. Next, Omar realized he needed a plan. A plan is a set of actions that you think about doing in order to achieve something. He decided to take a cooking class once a week. He also planned to practice cooking at home for at least 1 hour every day. Having a plan makes your goal feel more achievable. Omar also understood that achieving big goals takes time and effort. He knew it wouldn't happen overnight. He had to be patient and persistent. Patient means able to accept delays or suffering without becoming annoyed or anxious. Persistent means continuing firmly or obstinately in a course of action in spite of difficulty or opposition. There would be challenges, but he was determined to keep going. Along the way, Omar faced obstacles. An obstacle is something that blocks your progress. Sometimes a recipe didn't turn out well. Sometimes he felt tired and didn't want to practice. But he learned that these obstacles were a normal part of the journey. The important thing was not to give up. Omar found it helpful to break down his big dream into smaller milestones. A milestone is a significant stage or event in the development of something. Learning a new technique, mastering a difficult recipe, these were his milestones. Celebrating these small wins helped him stay motivated. Another important thing Omar did was to find support. Support means help or encouragement. He talked to his family and friends about his dream. He also connected with other people who loved cooking. Having people who believed in him made a big difference. Omar also learned the power of visualization. Visualization means creating a mental image of something. He would often close his eyes and imagine himself working in a busy kitchen, creating delicious food, and making people happy. This mental practice helped to keep his dream alive and his motivation strong. It's also important to believe in yourself. Believe means to accept that something is true or genuine. Omar had moments of doubt, but he tried to focus on his passion for cooking and his progress. Self-belief is a powerful tool in achieving your goals. Sometimes, you might need to adjust your plan along the way. Adjust means to change something slightly, especially to make it more accurate, effective, or suitable. Omar realized that some cooking classes were more helpful than others, so he adjusted his plan to focus on the best ones. Being flexible is important. Let's think about another person, a young woman named Sarah. Sarah had a goal to run a marathon. A marathon is a long-distance running race. For someone who had never run seriously before, This seemed like a huge challenge. Sarah started by setting a small goal to run for 30 minutes without stopping. She created a schedule, running a few times each week. She was determined to achieve her goal. Determined means having or showing firmness of purpose, resolute. Sarah also faced challenges. Sometimes her legs felt tired, and sometimes she didn't feel like running. But she remembered her big goal and kept going. She celebrated small achievements, like running a little further each week. Sarah also found a running group for support. Running with others made it more enjoyable and helped her stay motivated. Motivated means having a reason or desire to act. They encouraged each other and shared tips. Sarah used visualization to imagine herself crossing the finish line of the marathon. This helped her stay focused on her ultimate goal. Ultimate means being or happening at the end of a process, final. Achieving your goals is a journey with ups and downs. There will be moments of excitement and moments of difficulty. The key is to have a clear goal, make a plan, be persistent, and believe in yourself. Don't be afraid to seek support and adjust your plan as needed. Remember Omar becoming a chef and Sarah running a marathon? They both started with a dream and took steps to make it a reality. You can do the same. Let's review some of the important words we learned about achieving your goals. A goal is something you want to achieve. You need to achieve it to successfully reach it. Big goals can feel overwhelming, difficult. It's important to set specific goals. You need a plan, a set of actions. Achieving goals takes time and effort. You need to be patient and persistent, not giving up. You will face obstacles, things that block you. Break down big goals into smaller milestones, important stages. Find support, help from others. Use visualization, mental images. Believe in yourself. You might need to adjust your plan. Sarah was determined, having a firm purpose. She celebrated small achievements, successes. Being motivated, having a desire to act, is important to reach your ultimate, final goal. What is one goal you are working towards right now? Think about the first small step you can take to achieve it. Share your thoughts in the comments below. Thank you for learning about achieving your goals with us. If you found this video helpful, please like it and subscribe for more lessons on personal growth and English language learning. What other topics about success and motivation would you like us to explore? Let us know in the comments. Keep learning, keep dreaming, and remember that your goals are within reach.